One of the other surgeries that we talk about in our procedures of massive weight loss surgeries are arm lift surgeries for basically batwing arms or this loose hanging skin that you would have on your arms. This is also true for a lot of women who have not had these massive weight loss surgeries. In this video, we'll talk about arm contouring and arm lift surgeries. Hi, I'm Dr. Saumil Shah. I'm Director of Plastic Surgery at Skin Zone Aesthetics in Borivali, West Mumbai. Come, let's have a look. So you're someone who's not actually lost a lot of weight, or you gained back weight after your loss of weight. One thing that a lot of patients come looking for is arm liposuction to contour the arms. However, we can only do this in a group of patients who have good thick quality of skin. If you have thin skin, after doing the liposuction, the skin is going to sag and you'll get those flaps where it will move in spite of there not being fat. So this is a surgery that is reserved for younger patients who've not had a lot of weight loss, and probably for older patients in association with a arm contouring surgery like an arm lift. So you've had a weight loss because of, say, diet, exercise, Ozempic, Monjaro, some people would have had bariatric surgeries. Any of these leading to a lot of weight loss or older age, what people would get are these flaps on their arms that when they move, the skin moves. This is something that is annoying to a lot of people, why they can't wear the dresses they like, and they come to us for these surgeries. Now, there are two kinds of arm lift surgeries that are there. When we talk about a lift surgery, basically we are talking about cutting out skin along with or without liposuction if it's needed or not. When we cut out skin, it can be done in one of two ways. One, which is called as a medial or a mini arm lift perhaps, where we give a cut on the inside and just do this. This is done only in very select few patients who have a little bit of maybe hanging skin just near the underarms. This won't affect the skin at the distal part of your arm, under your elbow, or in other areas, and we can't really give a lot of shape if you have a lot of loose hanging skin. Again, here what the USP of the technique is that the scar is hidden in your axilla, in your underarm, and so it's not visible unless you raise your arm. The second one is what is called as the proper arm lift surgery. In this surgery, we would take an incision over there and you will have a scar that stays there. Unfortunately, in our Indian skin, the scars are very visible. And so we tell our patients, however, that it's a sort of a compromise between shape and scar. With this scar, you can still wear clothes that are up to your elbows and it will look in fabulous shape because we can do a 3D remodeling of your entire arm where this entire hanging skin can be removed. However, that scar will definitely be visible. It will decrease with time, but it's visible for life. We can do things like lasers and we can do other scar removal treatments or scar reduction treatments, but the scar stays. So if you're someone who has a lot of extra skin, especially post massive weight loss, a arm lift procedure might be your only option to sort of get rid of that extra skin, because no matter what you wear, it won't work for you. It's just that you have to be aware about the scars. If you are a Caucasian who has white skin, the chances of the scars will be lesser, are much higher, and so it works really well in Caucasian patients. The recovery post liposuction or an arm lift almost stays the same. Basically, you're going to have a lot of swelling on both sides. You'll have to wear sleeves as pressure garments. You'll have to do massaging. It takes about 2 to 4 weeks for the entire recovery to happen. No lifting of heavy weights till about 4 weeks. So if you have small babies at home, you can't lift them up for 4 weeks. So this is something that you need to know. The recovery process, and once it's done, usually there are not much issues as far as arms are concerned. The treatment for the scars and all of it can sort of start happening as soon as the scars heal. Things like lasers and creams can be started very quickly. So that is about the arm lift surgery. So check out our other videos about body contouring surgeries post weight loss of Ozempic, Monjaro, or through natural means causing sort of sagging of the skin. If you have any other questions on these things, do let us know in the comments below. You can, of course, set up a consultation with us.